Today's Thursday, June 18th. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado AM/FM Delco stereo radio that I'm working on for my friend Chris in California. And right now I'm going to be doing a video for my friend Howard up in New Jersey. And this is the original fader control. This is what a new NOS fader control looks like, which comes in at approximately 106 on the ohm scale. And this unit has been opened up. We can see how they're permanently sealed. If we look at the original unit, okay, permanently sealed from the factory, not intended to be reworked, okay, but this unit has been reworked where the internal resistance coil has been changed, as well as the sweeping element. And I'm going to go ahead and test it for resistance. I've turned it all the way to the left, and we'll be testing the left first, and we'll be looking for our fluke indicator to be at 106 or above. And there we are, 107, 106.9, absolutely perfect. We test the other side for 0, and we get 0.6, which again is consistent with the original design intent. We can test the lower ones, which have not been reworked, and again 106.9, so we got perfect polarity between the two, 106.9 on the front and 106.9 on the rear. Now we'll go ahead and turn it to the other side, and everything should be reversed. We should read close to 0 on this side, and we do. And we test the other side, which is our 106 or thereabouts, and again we're 107, 108, perfect. Test the lower side, 107 basically, so 107, 107, and 107 all around. So that is the original vintage fully restored fader control, okay. And I'm doing this video for my good friend Howard, who sent me one of these replacement NOS fader controls, and we were able to rebuild and restore the original fader control using the replacement resistance coil, okay. It's Eldorado, Georgia, and Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, tilt and telescopic steering columns, power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items, including the AM/FM Delco stereo radios, which we augment with Bluetooth functionality, and as well as the individual discrete components that sometimes have to be restored. Today is June 18th, Thursday. This is Eldorado, Georgia, and Florida. Thank you very kindly.